Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing received photos in the gallery within WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device and ensure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on a chat where the photo you want to view is located. Locate the specific photo and tap on it to open it. Step 3. Now, at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the 3 dots icon. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select View in Gallery. This will take you to your device's gallery app, where you can view and edit the photo as desired. By following these simple steps, you can easily view received photos in the gallery within WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tips. Thanks for watching. Remember, exploring and managing the media you receive in WhatsApp can enhance your messaging experience. Take a few moments to view and edit your received photos in the gallery for a more personalized touch. Until next time, happy chatting and photo editing.